Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dog bowl. So let's go ahead and delete the default cube, and we'll go ahead and add a circle right here, and then we'll go ahead and go into the edit mode. We're going to press F for fill, 1 for side view. We're just going to go E for extrude, bring this up, S to scale outwards, E for extrude, bring this up, and you're going to want to kind of scale this outwards just a little bit on the side just here, and then E for extrude again, scale outwards just to have that little lip, E for extrude, little scale outwards, and then we're just going to go ahead and just build a little bevel just around the outside there. So once you've got to this bit right here, you're going to want to have a little bit on top, so just press E for extrude, leave it where it is, click, S for scale, bring this in. We're going to go 1 for side view again, and then we'll go to toggle X-ray so you guys can see what's going on the inside. We'll go E for extrude, bring it down, S to scale, bring it inwards, and then we'll do E for extrude, bring it down, and then we'll do S for scale, inwards, until you get to about the bottom right here, and then we'll go E for extrude again and then scale inwards. And then you've got the objects mode again, right click, shade smooth, take that toggle X-ray off. If you haven't already, change your render engine to cycles, and then we'll go to materials tab, new, and generally dog bowls metallic, take down that roughness. You should have something like this. Let's go upwards a little bit, and then I'm just going to add a plane in the background so you guys can see the kind of shade that's going on with that. So it's a nice little prop to have, say for like a dog or something like that, or a cat. Yeah, it's a nice little accessory to put into a scene as well. Especially if you're doing kitchen renders, just kind of gives it a homely look. Very simple little projects that you can make. Yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.